So this is a really easy hat. So I'm going to use a rectangular piece of paper and we're going to fold it down the middle. So just bend that over into the middle, like so. And then we're going to fold it again, just down the middle. So this is to give us our guideline. Now this is made from an A4 piece of paper, but I recommend if you're going to use a hat, big piece of paper. So now we're going to take the corners and we're going to bring them into the centre, both sides. Just like that. There we go. So we've got a rectangle with a bit on the, a triangle with a bit on the bottom. Now we're going to fold up this bottom section. This is going to make the brim of our hat. And what you want to do is just to split the paper in half there, just so that you've got the top piece that you're only doing first. There we go. We're just going to do little lines, fold them up like so, and then all the way up to the bottom of the triangle. And then we're going to flip over and do the same on the back. So this one's a great one for kids because you can always draw on the hat, which is always nice, and then paint up little designs on there. It's great. There we go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just open up the hat from inside. There we go, and we're just going to fold these little sections on the side over. And there is your hat. And you can either wear it like Napoleon, or you can wear it with the point down in the front. So perfect. Hope you enjoyed.